Culture Corner 1. Exercise 1B, page 96.
Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest in South America is 6 million square kilometers. It covers almost half of Brazil. About 30% of the world's plant, animal and insect species live there. This is because it is warm, moist, and there is plenty to eat. There are more than 3,000 types of fish in the Amazon River. The rare pink dolphin lives there. There are hundreds of different types of plants and trees in the rainforest. These plants are very important because we make medicines from them. The Amazon rainforest is home to hundreds of local tribes, whose healers and medicine men have valuable knowledge that can help our scientists discover cures for diseases. But the number of these men is declining. Every day, 137 plants and animals die because of hunting and deforestation. People are cutting down trees for timber and to clear land for cattle. If we don't put a stop to this, many species will die out.